Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're going to change the clutch on the SilverCrest SKMC 1200. This task requires some specific tools and a bit of patience, but I'll guide you through each step. Let's get started. Tools required: screwdriver set, both flathead and Phillips. Socket wrench set. Torque wrench. Pliers. Cleaning cloths. Safety goggles. Gloves. First, ensure that the machine is unplugged for safety. Your first step is to remove the outer casing. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws located on the back and sides of the machine. Keep these screws organized, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull off the outer casing. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris from the interior parts, as this can improve performance and longevity. A clean machine is a happy machine. Next, we'll locate the clutch assembly. The clutch is typically situated near the motor. You may need to remove a few more screws to access it fully. If you're unsure, refer to your user manual for specific details on your model. Now, let's disconnect the wiring harness from the clutch. Use your pliers to carefully pull the connector apart. Be gentle to avoid damaging any wires. If you're feeling overwhelmed by this part, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. With the wiring disconnected, we can remove the old clutch. Use your socket wrench to unbolt the clutch assembly. Typically, there are 3 bolts securing it in place. Once unbolted, gently pull the clutch assembly away from the motor. Before installing the new clutch, take a moment to clean the area where the clutch will be mounted. This ensures a better fit and helps prevent any debris from interfering with the operation. Now, it's time to install the new clutch. Align it with the mounting holes and secure it with the bolts. Use your torque wrench to tighten the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications, ensuring it's fastened correctly without being over-tightened. If you're unsure how to do this, we can provide a quote before repair. Reconnect the wiring harness to the new clutch. Ensure the connection is secure, as a loose connection can lead to operational issues. Next, reassemble the outer casing of your SilverCrest SKMC 1200. Align it properly and replace all screws that were removed earlier. Make sure everything is snug and secure. Before we finish, let's do a quick internal clean again to ensure no dust remains. Finally, plug in your machine and conduct a test run. Listen for any unusual sounds that might indicate an issue. If everything sounds good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the clutch on your SilverCrest SKMC 1200. If you encounter any problems or prefer a hassle-free solution, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your repair needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.